Morning, first graders. Welcome to our Wednesday group for reading. Okay, we're going to go over our sight words first for this week. So I've got into. Remember, into has those two little words, in and to, and we put it together and it makes into. Over, 4 like the number, and 5 like the number. So one more time. Into, over, 4, 5. Your turn. My first one is, say it, spell it, say it again. Next one, the word is, spell it, say it again. Next one, say it, spell it, say it again. And our last one, say it, spell it, say it again. So one more time, those words were into, over, 4, 5. Okay. Next page, when I slide my finger under the word, you tell me what the word is. Okay, so that first row, the words were into, over, 4, 5. Try this row. When I slide my finger under, tell me the word. Okay, so those ones were to, watch, starts, and 3. Okay, next row. Try this one. When I slide my finger under, tell me the word. Four, over, 5, into. Last row. Okay, those words were 3, starts, watch, 2. Hey, next up we have some brand new sounds for this week. Okay, so my first card is my acorn card. Sound says A, and the spelling is A consonant E. Remember, a consonant is going to go here. A consonant is any letter of the alphabet that is not a vowel. A, E, I, O, and U are all vowels. So a consonant will come here, like a B will be put here, or a C or a D could be put there. All of those are consonants, along with many, many more in the alphabet. Okay, so one more time. When I say it, my card is acorn, sound A, spelling A, consonant E. Your turn. Try it. My card is sound, spelling. Okay, on this card, my card is jump, and we learned in the past that J says J, but now we are going to learn that G-E, and when E is right next door to my G, it's going to say J. So G-E can say J, like in gem at the beginning, or it can say it at the end too. Okay, so G-E, J, at the end like in age. Okay, and then we're also going to learn about our D-G-E. It has 3 letters in it, but we don't really hear that D when we say it because it's just going to say my J sound, just like this one and this one. Okay, but this one, remember, we have that line right here at the end, at the beginning. So D-G-E is only going to make that sound at the end of a word, like in fudge. Okay, so one more time. That card is jump, sound J, spelling G-E, sound J, spelling D-G-E at the end. Okay, your turn. Try it. My card is sound, spelling, sound, spelling. At the, okay, and then we have this card too. We've had our seal card before, and we learned that S makes that sound, and we learned that SS at the end will make this sound. But now this week we're going to focus on CE. CE is also going to say that sound. And that E will only help make that C say S when it is right next to it, like in this word. Okay, so CE can say S like at the beginning, like in cell, or at the end, like in ace. Okay, so my card is seal, sound S, spelling C-E. Your turn. Try it. My card is sound, spelling. Okay, let's try our sounds on our sound drill page. When I point to the letter, you tell me the sound, okay? My sound is. Okay, so as a refresher, those sounds were A, J, S, J. That's what that row should sound like. You try this one. Okay, so those sounds were S, A, F, J. Try this row. Okay, so those should have said J, J, S, A. And try the last row. Okay, so those ones were F, W, J. Okay, next up, we're going to put some sounds together on our board to make our words for this week. Okay, so my first one, my sound is, and then here's that sound on that acorn card. It says, so far blend it, may, and then here's my consonant that's going to go in the middle, D. So my word is, one more time, made. Sound. Sound on my acorn card says A, blend it, and there's my consonant, which says, blend it together, sail. My word is sound. The sound on my acorn card is A, blend it, and my consonant K is going to say, so my word is, one more time, make. Sound. The sound on my acorn card is blend it, and my consonant D says, my word so far is wade. Okay, my GR blend says, the sound on my acorn card makes A. Here's my consonant. My word is, one more time, grape. Sound. The A on my acorn card says, blend it. My consonant is going to say, blend it. My word is same. Okay, my TR blend is going to say, sound, blend it, sound, blend it. My word is trade. Okay, and our last one, my PL blend says, sound, blend it, sound, blend it. My word is plain. Okay, so one more time. Those words were made, sail, make, wade, grape, same, trade, and plain. Remember, the A in all of these words makes what sound? A, and it makes that A sound because it's that A consonant E. If I didn't have my E here, my A would just say ah. Okay, so that word would be, if I were to take the E off of this one, my A would say ah, and my word would be mad. But that E holds all the magical power to make your A say that A sound. Okay, let's try some of these words on the next page. So when I put my finger to the side, you think about that word. When I slide it, tell me what the word is. Here we go. My word was made. Try this one. Remember that E is here, so it's going to make your A say sail, make, wade, grape, same, trade, plain. Next row, same thing. When I slide my finger, think of it. Now we've got E. E is going to have what we call double duty. So it's going to make, it has two jobs. It's going to make your A say A, and it's going to make your C say S. So my word is ace. Same thing in this one. E has double duty. It has two jobs. It makes your A say and your C say. So my word is pace. Again, E has two jobs. It makes your A say A and your C say S. My word is race. Okay, down here, can this E jump over two letters? Nope, because when you look on my sound card with my acorn, it only has one line. It doesn't have two lines, so only one consonant can be here. So E can't reach your A. A is going to say the short sound, so it's going to say ah in this word. And then we have our DGE sound, which says J. So think about that word. Madge. M-A-J. Madge. Okay, down here. Gave. Gave. Take. Okay, this one has a suffix. I'm going to take my suffix off and ignore it for a minute. Okay, and let's think about that E. Can that E jump over two consonants and reach my vowel? So A is going to say what sound in this word? Ah. And then you've got your DGE again, which says J. So my word so far, my base word is badge. And then we've got our ES ending. Badges. Okay. Go ahead and take out your marker board and the marker because we're going to spell a couple words. Okay. And I'm also going to show you your sound cards to kind of help you guys out today. Okay, because we're going to be using some of those tricky sound cards in these words. Okay, first word I need you to spell. Ace. Ace can be a name or it can be a card, like a playing deck card can be an ace. So we've got A. So remember, we've got our acorn card. So we've got our A sound. And then we also have, so your consonant is going to be that sound that we are practicing that makes that S sound. So we've got A, ace. Okay, so your first word is ace. Next one, pace. I am going to walk in a slow pace, or I can walk in a quick pace. My word is pace. A. So we've got our A sound like on our consonant, on our acorn card, I'm sorry. And then we've got the S sound. So the consonant that's going to go in the middle is that letter when it's right next to the E is going to make the S sound like on my seal card. Okay, so one more time, the word is pace. A, pace. Next one, race. I am in a race. Race. Got our A sound like on our acorn card. And then the consonant that's going to go in the middle is that letter we're practicing this week when it's next to the E, makes the S sound like on my seal card. Okay, race. And then our last one, Madge. Madge is a name. Madge. And then the three letters that say J. Madge. The three letters that say J. Okay, so one more time. Those words were ace, pace, race, and Madge. When you're done with those 4 words, come show me your marker board so I can check those words for you. And then your book that you're going to read 2 times today is A Safe Lodge. Okay, so grab that book for me, read it 2 times. When you're done, you can choose something off of that bookshelf to do.